Use the expression editor to create calculated expressions based on the data in your app. You can access the expression editor from many of the options in the Properties panel, including both dimensions and measures. From the expression editor, when you start typing a function, a tooltip shows you the valid functions, arguments, and qualifiers based on what you have entered. You can also use the field filters to create an expression. Start by selecting the data table. Then, select a field from the Fields filter and choose the aggregation function. Some aggregation functions are used with either a distinct or total clause. Use the checkbox to include the clause in the expression. Let's select distinct for this example. When we click Insert, Qlik Sense adds the expression to the expression editor. Under the Function section, you can access more complex expressions. You can see the syntax for the expression in the template viewer. In the Variables menu, select a variable from the drop-down list. Select the checkbox to include system variables. Click Apply to insert the expression. Enter a name, then click Create. Our custom measure is now available under Measures. When we drag it onto the sheet, Qlik Sense generates a KPI that shows the sum of distinct values of sales quantity. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.